Welcome back again ala sa tuang pinakauna nga episode sa tuang bag-ong programa sa DXMU FM matag una nga Miyerkules sa bulan. Yes, first Wednesday sa bulan, and since karon ang pinakauna nga Miyerkules sa bulan sa Marso, ato na kining sugdan ang atong programa nga gitawag nato og Tingog sa Simuya. This time, pinakauna nato nga guest ni ini nga program, no less than ang presidente mismo sa CMU Employees Association Incorporated, si Dr. Heidi Helena Garcia, together with our secretary. Kauban na to karon si Mr. Joseph Paul Adorable. Maayong hapon kaninyo, Ate Hides and Sir Paul. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to Ate LG. Salamat sa pag-invite sa amo adire sa atong programa na Tingog sa Simuya.
Yes, salamat Ate Hides. Sir Paul, greetings.
Si Ma'am LJ no, kauban nato nga trustee sa Simuya. Maayong hapon sa tanan nga naminaw ug nakadungog ning atong programa.
Yes, ug maayong hapon pod sa ato ang mga kaubanan.
Yes, of
nga
course.
mga opisyales sa CMU Employees Association Incorporated, as well as sa tanan nga mga non-teaching and apila po ng mga teaching nga mga employees sa Central Mindanao University ug sa tanan nga mga naminaw karon sa DXMU FM live ta sa DXMU FM 88.9 nga Facebook account. Until now, wala paghapon nato na retrieve ang atong page. Dili pa ta maka-live. I don't know what happened. Pero, yeah, live ta karon sa atong Facebook. So, ato sang ila-ilahon, Ate Hides, ila-ilahon sa nato unsa di ay ning Simuya or gitawag nato nga Central Mindanao University Employees Association Incorporated.
Okay, so thank you so much, Dr. LG Aninayon, one of our trustees, no. Actually, si Ate LG, as I call her, ang nag-initiate no ng inanim program for the Simuya, no. So this is one of the programs na at least mai-inform natin ang ating mga members and mga members natin on what activities and programs do Simuya have. But first of all, since this is the first program, Simuya is the association of the non-teaching employees here in Central Mindanao University. So it is recognized and it is registered in SEC. This is a non-profit, non-stock, non-political and non-sectarian organization that embodies the ideals, plans, programs of the non-teaching activities of the non-teaching to promote the welfare of our members.
Yes.
Okay, so this is with regard sa mga cultural, social, moral activities na atong ihatag sa atong mga non-teaching employees.
Yeah, so in short, asosasyon sa tanang mga empleyado sa Central Mindanao University nga dili teaching.
So nabilong ta sa mga staff.
Yes.
Okay? Pero centered to, exclusive for the the staff, no? Plantilla personnel
Plantilla.
of CMU. Okay.
Yes. Sige. Atong ila-ilahon, Ate Hides and Sir Paul, kung kinsa ang mga opisyales, kay bago man nga set of officers karon, no? Nga na-elect last year, who are the officers nga nabilong sa ato ang Simuya. Of course, you are the president, Dr. Heidi Helena Garcia, Simuya president. Then
Heidi lang, wag pwede na mawala ng doktor. Okay, but it's okay. I'm honored to be called doctor, pero okay lang pa kung tayo-tayo lang. Heidi Helena lang po.
Sige, sige.
Okay, so ang ating the election was held last March of 2025. Okay, so magma-March na ulit. But
Yeah,
then ang
mag-1 year na di ay, no?
mag-1 year na tayo. So anyway, I'm proud to inform naman na meron naman tayong nagawa na for
Yes.
Simuya. So
True.
anyway, with regards to your question, so ang mga set of officers for this 2025 to 2027 na term, ang next to me, ang ating Vice President is si Sir Bobby Visayan, no, ang ating board secretary. So ang ating naman secretary sa Simuya, walang iba kung hindi si Sir Paul Adorable, who is with me now. And then ang ating treasurer si Sir Orven Retardo from ITSM. Ang ating auditor who has been an auditor for so many years, si Maria Inday, no, si Maria Conseli Gaco. And of course, ang mga board members natin, no, ang ating board of trustees kung tawagin. So number 1, si Ate LG Aninayon. Hey, that's you. And then si Sir Edgar Baguio from the cashier, Seymour Kahukom from the Housing Committee, no? Si Jackie Garcia, ang ating payroll in charge. Si Earl Nolan Guzman, who's from HRMO.
Yeah.
Si Ma'am Luella Horomat, who is now the University Registrar.
Yes.
Si Sir Emilio Navaja, the head of the Records Management. Si Sir Antonio Pamisa, who's in charge sa ating Environmental and Safety Office. Si Sir Carlo Martin Sarausa, the head of the Office of DTO. And then si Attorney Gretel Timario. Okay, so those are the officers and the members of the Simuya.
Yes. Do you have the list, Ate Hyde, sa ato ang Simuya Youth?
Sa Simuya Youth, I don't have the list but I can remember. Si Nolan Guzman ang president ng ating
Yes.
Simuya Youth. And then we have Eunice Sarausa. So from HR din, she's the vice president. And then ang secretary natin si Karina Baguio, who's from accounting. And the treasurer is Maria Jasmine Magalona.
Yeah. So, 5. Sakto ba?
Yes.
There are 5. Appeal na to sila nga ipalingkod sa sunod na to nga mga programs.
Yes.
Oo,
Kasi
husgaw na to
sila yung
tanan.
nagdadala ng other activities natin sa Simuya.
True. Daghan sila mga activities pod nga
Yes,
naka-line up.
oo.
Sige. So after that, naila-ila na nato kung kinsa ni sila nga mga personalities behind the CMU Employees Association Incorporated. Let's talk about the programs na
Committees.
or committees. Yeah, committees. Kinsay mga kani nga mga officers, unsa nga mga committees ang ilang gihandle?
Oo. So since we have the set of officers, so we delineate and designate them to handle the different committees. So that divided ang ating mga works, no? So hindi pwedeng iasa lang kay Sir Paul. So mostly he does the paperworks, no?
True, as the
Pero
secretary.
we are all busy in our offices, kaya kailangan nating mag-distribute ng ating mga trabaho for Simuya kasi so that for the whole year ang mga plans and programs natin mapa-implement natin. Okay, so there are different committees, no? So we have the Committee on Amendments, Committee on the Grievance and Mediation, Committee on Membership, we have the Committee on Public Relations, we have the Committee on Information and Dissemination, then we have the Committee on Finance, we have also the Committee on Credit, Committee on Youth, Committee on Ways and Means, and Bahay ng Simuya. There's a person in charge of the Bahay ng Simuya. Okay.
Sige,
That's it,
so
Ate Alj.
sige, pila na siya tanan ka committees?
We have 10.
10 committees. Pwede ba nato mailhan kinsa lang ang mga kinsa ang mga people behind ani nga mga committees?
We have the Committee on Amendment. Ito yung first committee natin. And Sir Paul, ang mga in charge,
Sige, do
no?
the honor.
Actually, I'll inform kung ano bang trabaho nitong committee on amendment,
yes,
no?
oo.
So, they are responsible to make the proposals and amendments, no, to our existing bylaws. So, in other words, sila yung nagre-review ng ating consti and bylaws kasi for the information of everyone, we are guided, no, on how to implement our plans and programs for the university through our constitution and bylaws.
Yes.
We also have our CNA na collective negotiation agreement. So all of our programs are anchored, no, to these guidelines natin kay eto man yung legal basis, no. So etong committee na to who is headed by
sa Committee on Amendment ni Sir Bobby Bisayan, Ma'am Hayes,
Ayan.
with Attorney Gretel, Ati Mario, and Sir Edgar Bagyo as members.
Oo. So they're responsible to make the proposals. Baka may mga amendments, merong mga annexes, no, na kinahanglan ibutang sa ating consti and bylaws.
Yeah.
So they see to it na proper ang ating mga consti and bylaws.
Yeah, and it's good we have a lawyer.
Yes,
and naapod tay, syempre si Sir Bobby is the
Board secretary.
Board secretary, dili basta-basta. So, kung may tag expertise, naanagid sa ilaha.
Yes, oo, and we're so privileged to have them, no, sa ating
Yes.
team. Okay, ang next nating committee is on grievance and mediation.
Okay.
So ito namang committee nito is responsible to discuss the differences between members o kaya between officers, no, and they are being assisted in developing their own proposed resolution to come up with an acceptable solution. So, kumbaga, ito ang hearing, no? Dito natin ang mga hearing sessions kung may mga grievances
Problema.
tayo, no? So, they're headed by...
So, ang nag-handle sa atong grievance, Ma'am Hayes, is si Attorney Gretel, Ati Mario.
Oh,
Yes.
imagine mo. So, lawyer na ang nag-handle
Yeah.
sa atong grievances.
Kauban si Ma'am LJ.
Ayan.
And Sir Jackie.
Si Jackie. So next
Okay.
is, that's for the grievance committee
Yes, grievance and mediation.
and mediation.
So next committee natin is on membership. Okay, so Committee on Membership shall provide and update the list of members' profile. So we know na may from time to time may mga na-hire,
Yes,
no?
mga
Na
new members.
New members na mga non-teaching personnel. So minemember natin siya sa association, and this committee is in charge, no, to update and to inform the new members na there's a Simuya and they will be members. So headed by
Ako, Ma'am Hayes.
Okay,
Ikaw,
si Sir
With
Paul.
Sir Jackie and Sir Carlo Sarausa as
Ayan.
Ayun. So sila day ay Ate LG. ang-
Yeah, ato na sa yuron ang mga detalye ana sa mga next na pud nato nga Wednesdays.
Yes, and sila naman ang iyong guests.
Yes, sila na sad. Kay tanan gyud nato nga mga officers makalingkod diri para ilang ma-express og ilang mapadayag sa tanan nga mauni ang mga nabuhat na per committee.
Oo.
Oo, unsa
And
na
then,
mga actions.
Yes, may mga may mga programs
and
din
plans,
sila.
oo.
Okay, so next committee natin is on public relations. So ito naman mga responsible for the social, sports, cultural activity, and spiritual activity of the association. So public relations.
Yes, Ma'am Hayes.
Headed by?
by our youth president, Sir Nolan.
Si Nolan, yeah.
Kaya nung may civil service fun run, no, sponsored by the civil service and HRMO and Simuya.
Oo.
So kaning mga Simuya youth ang nag-organize.
Yeah.
Okay, next committee.
Sige, si Nolan and together with
Engineer Carlo Martin Sarausa and Seymour Kahukum.
ayun, so tulog gihapon sila. Next committee is
On information and dissemination.
Ayan.
Okay, so responsible
So, mauna ni.
for the publication of the association's activity. So, ilagay dito ang mga programs, projects, through radio or newsletter. So,
Yan.
this is one of the
Yeah.
program na, no?
So,
And then,
walay lain
headed
nga
ba?
chair, ang atong anchor.
Wala iba, kundi si Ma'am LG.
Yeah.
Si Trusty LG.
and together with
As secretary, so na member ko Ma'am LJ and
Yes.
the youth
Si
president,
youth,
si
si
Sir
Nolan.
Nolan Guzman.
Okay, so next to that is the Committee on Finance. So this is responsible for the fundraising activities and the preparation of budget proposal for approval by the Board of Trustees and the General Assembly. So last February 23 to 24, we had an action planning and budget planning. Okay, and they prepared our budget proposal, which we are going to present on coming General Assembly. Tentatively scheduled on March 27.
27, and that is Friday.
Yes. So the Committee on Finance is headed
by our treasurer, Ma'am Hayes, Sir Orvin Ricardo, with Sir Engineer Emil Nabaja, and Maricel Gaco.
Ayun. Mga finance people.
Finance. And the next is the Credit Committee. Credit Committee. Ito yung they are responsible for the review and verification of the application of the financial assistance.
Yes.
Okay, so one of our program is to loan money for our members who are in need. So loan pero wala tong interest.
Wala interest.
Okay, diba? So asa ka nakakita ng credit na walay interest. So only in Simuya. So
Including also our mortuary program, Ma'am Hayes, and financial medical assistance.
Ayun.
So itong Credit
Mortuary
Committee,
and
so we'll discuss that in the programs later. Oo.
Sige.
So the Credit Committee is chaired by
Engineer Emil
Emil.
Nabaja, with Sir Antonio Pamisa and Sir Orvin Ricardo as members.
Ayun.
Okay. So there's also the Committee on Election. So ito naman ay binibigay natin sa isang third party, So kumbaga we're not involved here, but at least there's somebody who will organize,
Committee.
A special committee siya.
Yes.
They're responsible to perform the conduct of election. So ang election natin is every 2 years. So by 2027 there will be an upcoming election to for the next set of officers. So there's a guidelines in our constitution bylaws on the election of the officers and Board of Trustees. So
And that is headed by...
So, we will
special-
assign...
okay.
special committee siya.
Special committee siya.
Okay, and then the last is the DORM, Ano pa ba? Ang Ways and Means.
Ways and Means.
So Ways and Means is to find fundraising also for our to fund our activities and
Yes,
the programs, and headed by no other than me. And
Yes.
together with Ma'am Luella Horomat.
Unsa gani na siya, te?
And ikaw din, Trustee LG.
Ang
Tayo tatlo.
Ang Ways
For the
and Means.
Yeah, oo
Tama.
nga. So,
Mangita tag kwarta.
mangita tag kwarta para sa mga programs,
activities
to
natin,
fund our programs.
Oo.
And the last one is Bahay ng Simuya. Okay, so we in charge also people, officers who will take care of the Bahay ng Simuya. Ito yung board and lodging ng Simuya. Okay, so headed by si Ma'am Luella
Weng
Horomat, together
Yes.
with Sir Tony Pamisa, Seymour Kahukom, and Sir Orvin Ricardo.
Okay, so tanan nga mga detalye ana, we will be discussing that one. Ang mga remaining siguro nga details i-discuss sa per committee head or the committee
Yes.
chair. Ang kuan na dayon katong atong i-discuss karon ang atong mga
Main programs for the year.
for the year 2026. Pwede na to i-discuss ang atong mga nahitabo na last year. Ati Heidi, since last March man to, no? Unsa ganito atong mga programs before?
Actually, we started last March. We had an election. If I remember, nung morning, nag-conducta ng
General
seminar.
Assembly.
Okay. May General Assembly tayo.
May misa tayo.
Mass in the morning.
Mass.
And then in the afternoon, nagkaroon tayo ng election. Okay? So, this coming March, ang ating initial plan is to have a mass in the morning, and then there will be business meeting.
Yeah.
Okay? Kasi may mga pakinggan tayo mga proposals from our members. And after that, siguro it will only be a half day na meeting natin, General Assembly. Kasi wala
Yes.
naman tayong election for this year.
Okay. So morning only
Oo, morning only.
on March 27.
Yes, on. March 27. Then last April, May, wala naman tayong mga activities, but we have plans. We have programs,
Yeah.
no?
That was last year, no?
Last year, last year may mga programs tayo. One of our programs ay yung binibigay nating HMO.
Yeah, more
so
that
yung
was the
MaxiCare, no? Oo.
Medyo mo to ang mga nakabisi sa ato last year.
Yes, oo, kasi we had a survey,
Yeah.
no? Imagine mo lahat ng mga
Meetings.
non-teaching personnel ating pina-sign at pina-check dito sa mga proposed na mga HMOs. And then later on, gi-consolidate, binigay natin ang data to the committee with the partner of Simufay.
Yes.
Okay? After that, ang Simufay, nahimong sila yung frontliner, no, for the transaction with the HMO. Later on, it was decided na si MaxiCare kasi among the faculty, mas taas man pud ang result ni MaxiCare.
Yes.
So nahimong si MaxiCare ang kumbaga na daog, no, sa ating
service provider.
Oo, siya yung naging service provider. And then okay naman ang mga benefits ni MaxiCare compared to other HMOs. Only that nagkaroon tayo ng additional na 2,007
Yes.
pesos, no? Kasi ang budget lang natin or ang allocated for the HMO is only 7,000. Okay?
Yeah.
So there was a decision to have a salary deduction among the employees. So marami sa ating mga non-teaching ang hindi nag-commit. Hindi
Oo.
nag-commit na magpa-deduct. So doon na delay. So
Dili day allowed sa DBM no nga walay
counterpart.
oo. I mean, dili allowed sa DBM nga naay empleyado nga walay HMO.
Oo. So aside from that, so ang nangyari, so ang ibang mga nagpa-deduct na, so for 2 months sa didakan sila yung nauna. Sila yung
Yes.
naging first batch nang naka-receive ng HMO
Card.
MaxiCare benefit. Okay. So eto namang mga other employees natin, ang iba pala dyan na sila yung mga nakuhang
Existing.
HMO. Oo. So what the HR did, pinasubmit sila ng
Yes.
kanilang mga certificates. So nag-submit and then last na silang na-refund, no? Yung pala kasi i-check kung meron silang HMO and then if
Yes.
qualified or legal yung kanilang HMO, then they will be refunded and charged to salary savings. So kaya medyo na-delay, no?
Yeah.
So December na sila na refund then.
O i-shout out sa din nato Ate Hides kay naminaw
Si
karon
Daw.
atong co-trustee si Trustee Carlo Sarausa.
Hello.
Engineer.
Engineer
Yeah.
Carlo over
Engineer
here.
Carlo Sarausa is watching.
Yes. So, bantay mo kay next time kamo naman adire.
Yes, di gid mo makabalibad kay tanan gyud na ay chance mo anhi gid diri sa DXMU.
Yes, okay.
Ay, Ma'am Hayes, nangutana di ay og madawat ba na to ang atong card?
Yes, oo, yung first batch naka-release na tayo ng mga HMO cards.
Yeah.
Actually, from Simufay, tina-turn over sa Simuya ang mga cards kasi tayo ang nakakilala sa ating mga employees. So, first batch okay na, release na tanan, and then second batch naana sa Simuya office.
Yes.
Okay, so parang naging second and third batch, no? Ang
Oo.
nahitabo. Oo.
So pwede na makuha, Ma'am
Yes,
Hayes?
pwede na. Pwede na kayong pumunta sa Simuya office.
So
Okay.
open tayo from
Care of si Angie ang ating staff doon.
Angie, look for Angie.
from 8 to
From
8 a.m.
9 to 3,
9
9 to
okay.
3 p.m.
Every day.
Every day.
So pwede na mo moadto sa Simuya office. Sa atong Simuya office Ate Hides.
Ang ating Simuya office is the former graduate school pa. Okay? Until March 31.
Yes.
For the information of everyone, lilipat na po kami. Hindi pa namin masabi kung saan kami lilipat. But tentatively, if not sa RMU office ay sa New Care office, yung bagong building ng extension,
Yes.
agricultural extension. So, yun po ang mga target na plan na office na lilipatan ng Simuya.
Sige, going back to HMO,
Going back to
available na
MHO,
ang
card, MaxiCard.
Oo.
Okay, for those who were enrolled, yung second batch na na-enroll last November na, siguro no? November and December. So, available na at the Simuya office.
yeah.
Okay, so after that HMO, nakabisihan natin, we had
By the way,
September
Ate
na.
Hides,
Oo.
congratulations in advance daw gikan kang Kuya Michael Bon, Ampis Bonifacio. Congratulations in advance, Simuya. Regards to all of you, Ate Elge, Ate Heidi, and Sir Paul.
Thank you, Kuya Bon.
Yes,
Hi.
Kuya
Shout
Bon is
out to you
watching.
too.
Thank you. Kuya Bon, nakuha na nimo imong card.
Si Mufay yan.
Oo, for sure na ana, di ba?
Oo, naana
Kaya
sila
naman
po.
tanan.
Oo.
So nakuha na ba nimo Kuya Bon imong card sa HMO card. Pero take note ha, di ba? Bisan og halimbawa simba ko lang wala nakakuha pa og card. Pero natay perfect kay nga example ana. Si Kuya Trekker, akong
Yes,
kauban diri among
oo.
station manager. Wala pa siya card pero
na-avail niya yung benefit ng MaxiCare. Yes, oo. Even after September, may mga na hospital and wala pang release ang cards natin. So they were pinakita lang yung list ng mga na-enroll sa MaxiCare and they were considered sa hospital na.
yes, and gi-ask na daw ang number sa card. Unya mo rin gipakita daw ni Kuya Trekker. Thank you kayo doon. Number sa card. So nag-ask lang siya doon sa wala pa may card, so ang number lang. Asa siya nakakuha sa number? Okay. Sige, so gipangayo lang ang number dayon mo rin din to ang gihatag. So bisag walay card ayo mo kaguol, pwede mo makapa check up or makapa-hospital.
Oo. So Ate LG, nice ang benefits ng ng MaxiCare. It's not only for hospitalization but also for check-up.
True.
So punta lang kayo sa mga accredited ng MaxiCare ng mga doctors and then express
hospitals.
your concerns. Let's say halimbawa gusto nyong you feel na medyo tumataas ng inyong BP and then you feel something in your heart na kailangan nyo ng ECG. So tell it to the doctor and then siya na yung magprescribe kung ano yung mga i-check up sa inyo. And then i-assign naman kayo sa mga accredited hospitals din na MaxiCare. And there's a possibility na ma-free lahat, di ba? Free tanan ang mga check-ups.
Yeah. Imagine kato kang Kuya Trekker lang no, pila to doon 100 plus ang iyahang nabayad, ang iyahang bill.
Oo.
Ang bill niya is 100,000 plus. Ang iyahang excess kay 6,000 only.
Oh,
Imagine.
Oo nga.
Mo to nag-ask ko, ngano ka na excess? Muna ako ang pangutanain siya. Wala po daw niya nakita. Naabada ay saha.
Pero
Naabada dependent, wala doon.
Pero at LG, imaginein mo kung
Person.
100 plus, no? Ang imong hospitalization. Then, I think
Yes.
unahin naman ang PhilHealth, less PhilHealth. Then,
Yes.
Kung PhilHealth lang naman ang other benefits. Then,
Yeah.
ang MaxiCare na. Okay, so with those two major na deductions, malaki talaga mababawas. Especially
True.
if you have
Naigipangutana diri ay Ate Hides, appeal ba daw ang mga dependents?
ang dependents, i-enroll mo din.
Yeah.
Oo, actually yung
Separate siya nga
separate siya na
bayad.
enrollment. Oo.
Enrollment.
So if i-enroll mo ang iyong ang iyong family, so there will be additional payment. So as the payment, less siya compared din sa kung kukuha ka ng MaxiCare program na hindi ka under ng CMU.
Yeah. True. So, muna siya no ang about MaxiCare. Alas 3:41 naman di ay.
Bilis naman na oras sa TL.
Wala pa nato na-discuss ang ato ang present.
Yes. Actually,
Ay, wait lang. Last year pa ito no. Nabiyaan na to itong last year. Sa pa to? MaxiCare,
so HMO yan. And then, nung September, we had the Simuya Youth na nagbaligya ng kanilang CMU merch, no?
Yes.
So, for the information of everyone, madami tayong mga merch items. Merch items na for sale. So, ato lang mo sa Simuya office. So, kung may gusto kayong regaluhan ng mga t-shirt, mugs, tumblers, basta mga packages, no, na pang regalo, pang tokens.
Yeah.
So, ato lang mo sa Simuya office. So we have those and we can package it to you. Okay? So
Yes.
project to ng Simuya Youth, no, for additional fund. We also
That was during the
foundation.
alumni.
Oo.
Alumni
During-
homecoming and foundation.
Actually, gusto pa ng Simuya Youth na mag-cater ng tokens, no, for yung bag with some tokens no for the whole alumni pero
Yes.
parang nakulangan ng time. So we're planning it this year. Hopefully,
ma-realize.
Then we also have
The civil service.
Yes, yung fun run natin on sa civil
Fun
service.
run and civil service na review.
We had a review and then we catered for ilan din almost 40 na na ano yun reviewees. So we were two subjects lang yung natin pina-review sa kanila. But this year mag-start siguro sila by April or May kasi ang target na exam is on August.
Okay.
So there will be 4 subjects na daw na i-lecture. So wait for our PubMat na lang so that you will be informed on when to start. Okay, when to register.
Naipangutana diri si Dr. June Magdato. Naaba
Sir
daw
June,
CMU
hello.
jacket regards to Ma'am Heidi and Bro Paul.
Yes, sir. Hello po. CMU jacket, wala pa, pero papagawaan ka namin, sir.
Yes.
Baka this is the right time na to prepare for the jacket. T-shirt, polo shirts pa lang po ang meron.
Oo, nice nga ni white.
Oo.
Char. Kaya puro black ang atong jacket, no?
Yes.
Sige.
Okay. So that was September, and last December we had the
Simuya Week.
Day. Simuya Day.
Simuya Day.
So etong Simuya Day is we had a one day na program for the Simuya.
Pero prior to it, nagpunta sa Manila.
Later, so excited ako i-discuss yung Simuya Day kay everyone enjoyed
Yes.
yung ating mga
Whole
programs
day.
doon whole day. So we had a mass then for the start of the program, then
May
natin mga talks,
pa-contest.
and then may pa-contest tayo sa hapon.
Yes.
And then Bibo yung Mr.
Raffles.
Simuya.
Yes.
Raffle.
And the most awaited ang raffle.
Correct.
And hindi lang for the members ng Simuya ito, hindi lang for the Plantilla personnel, but we extended it to the job orders. No?
True.
So ganun nating kamahal ang ating mga kasamahan dire sa CMU.
True.
Okay?
Naghanangutana, giunsa daw sa Simuya nga dagko kuno tagipanghatag nga mga awards labi na sa ato ang tawag kaning
Mga raffles.
raffle o sa raffle na to. Even awards, di ba mga cash prizes?
Yes, we had cash prizes, and yung ating major prize nun is we had the ref, and then ang second is a washing machine, So actually magaling lang po kaming mag-budget. We know that we have limited budget, but
Yes.
hindi lahat kasi noon kinuha sa ating Simuya fund. So we also solicited, and there were generous sponsors
oo.
na naghatag sa ating ng mga gifts for kasi kay Christmas yan eh. So
Oo.
everyone is very generous to offer and to give something for the mga kauban nato sa Simuya.
True.
And then before that we went to Manila at LG, di ba?
Yeah,
Oo, for
December.
the PJ, that was the first week of December.
Philippine Government.
3 to 5.
Yes, in celebration of the Philippine Government
Employees
Employees
Association.
Week.
True.
So, mahal na mahal din tayo ng PJ nung
Di ba
ating
awardee kayo, Ma'am Heiz?
Oo, so we had recognized ang ating Simuya
Yes.
organization na na we are brother or we are sister partner of the Philippine Government Employees Association. So we were given an award, and so we also presented there kaning ating mga programs. Aside from the programs na ginagawa natin, it has been over the years na mga programs na to. Aside from that, we have the advocacy,
Yeah.
Ikakwento ni Sir Paul because pet project ni Sir Paul itong advocacy
True,
natin.
kay hapit na ang time, Sir
sige,
Paul.
Sir Paul,
Sige,
ikaw,
Sir Paul.
So, usa sa atong advocacy, Ma'am Heiz, Ma'am LJ, is to become a member of the Board of Regents. Although this is not for Simuya alone, but for all non-teaching employees under issues is nationwide.
Yes,
True.
Kasi ngayon, ang members of the Board of Regents, di ba, we have the Alumni Association, the Student Regent,
Yes,
and the
faculty.
and even itong private
Oo.
person, So, kung mayroon ng private person, bakit hindi ma-recognize ang non-teaching
employees.
personnel? Kasi we want to be recognized because we are a different sector, but we belong to one organization.
True.
And our grievances are not being heard, no? So hindi naman lahat grievances, but we also want to be given a chance, no, to be heard in the university. So this is an advocacy not only for CMU nga,
Yes,
sabi nga ni
ma'am.
Sir Paul, but for the whole entire SUCs, and madami na kaming kasama dito. So now there was already an approval or House bill approved by the Congress, and now the floor is in the Senate. So yun ang gusto naming ma-follow up ngayon ulit para may ma-push na ang ating Republic Act.
So, meron na tayong approved bill sa lower house.
Sa lower
so,
house.
nasa Senate na po tayo ngayon.
Wow.
Yes.
Opo.
Aside from that, at LG, before tayo
Sige, sige.
gusto ko lang i-emphasize itong new program natin on hospitalization assistance.
Oo.
So this year, ito na na-approve. We are giving 2,500 for every employee na na-hospital. Hindi naman natin gustong ma-hospital sila, but we know we want to empathize and sympathize with our members. So kahit small amount lang pinaparamdam natin
Yes, ma'am.
bilang mga kauban nato sa Simuya na we are here for you, and then that amount alam namin na no matter how big or small it is, but the thought counts.
Oo,
Kumbaga.
para na sa mga na-hospital of
Yes.
more than
Walang limit. At least,
3 days.
Oo,
Yeah.
3 days lang na
3
na-hospital
days.
siya. Okay,
So,
may requirement tayo to have an evidence or proof na hospitalization.
yes, nakakuha na ba si Kuya Trecor ani Don? Don? Nakakuha na ba si Kuya Trecor hospitalization? Wala pa siya ka-process, no? Atong
Ano sa siya na?
na-hospital siya last December to Don ba? Ay, January. Pwede pa, January.
So, natay form, Ma'am LG,
Yeah.
nasa office. Opo.
Sige, so ipadayo na to. At Sir Paul, unsa pa tong other nga mga programs?
Not to worry.
Mortuary program is existing na nga program sa Simuya nga kung ay mo pass away nga member nato Ma'am Hayes, we contribute 100. So normally aabot siya ng 100,000 sa ating experience. So then hindi lang po para sa atin Ma'am Hayes, kasali natin ang mga job orders.
Oo.
Sa atin.
Kasi may mga members tayo, may
Yes,
mga job orders tayo na may tinatawag na availment fee.
Oo.
So nagbabayad sila ng 300 pesos, no, para ma-member sila on mortuary. So simba ko may mahitabo sa ila.
That's annually, Ate Heights?
Oo,
Or
annually yon ang
Oo.
kanilang
Yes, ma'am.
payment. So kinocontributan din natin sila ng 100 pesos per
And including yung mag-retire, we have lifetime members Ma'am Hayes.
Ayun.
Yes.
Lifetime membership.
But ang mag-retire kailangan makabayad ng
5,000.
anong tawag natin? Yung lifetime membership na 5,000.
Lifetime
Opo.
membership fee. So it's amounting to 5,000
5,000.
pesos. So upon retirement, kailangan within 6 months, no,
Oh.
makaprocess siya.
mao din na dapat atong i-emphasize.
Oo.
Dapat pag-retire niya after within 6 months after retirement, maka-file na siya
Nakabayad na siya.
bayad na siya og
Nakabayad siya.
5,000 pesos.
Sa atong treasurer.
Oo,
sa atong
since
treasurer.
meron tayong member sa HR, no, si Sir Nolan, so pinasama namin sa orientation on the retirees, no, na kailangan magbayad kayo sa Simuya or Simufay kung meron ba silang lifetime membership. Kasi parang meron ding lifetime membership sa Simufay.
Oo. So that's 5,000 pesos nga lifetime membership. Pila ang makuha simbako og nay mahitabo?
Sa present karon we contribute 100 per member of the association. So sa ating experience Ma'am Hayes, hindi siya bababa ng 100,000.
Oo. Kasi
So,
imagine mo 400 plus na yung ating plantilla personnel.
Yeah.
And then there are job orders. Maraming
Marami rin. Opo.
nagbigay ng availment fee ng mga job orders. So they are also being deducted. So naabot ng 100,000. And we give first 50 upon knowing
Yes,
na namatay na yung empleyado or na member natin, binibigyan natin ng 50% muna na so amounting to 50,000 pesos. And then the following month magdideduct tayo. After that, tina-turn over na natin yung balance of what we had deducted sa mga employees.
Ayun. Sige, so alas 3:52 na. Some more. Unsa pay uban nato? Actually daghan pa ta wala man
nga.
discuss no unsa pay
Yes,
others.
but para may maistorya din ang ating mga co-officers, no? So hindi namin tapusin, hindi namin ubusin, Ate LG.
Yes.
No? So they
Kaya ilang man ang
will come
i-discuss. Wait lang. Si Sir Mel. Sir Mel
Sir
Navaja
Mel.
is okay. Si Trekker already served hospitalization assistance. Naana day doon.
Na-check agad ni Kuya, ni Sir
Sir
Mel.
Mel.
Yes.
Okay, merong tayong system, Ma'am Ate LG, na makita natin ang mga nag-avail ng ating
Oo.
credit. Yun pa, hindi natin na-discuss. Si Sir Mel na lang mag-elaborate on the credit and financial assistance.
True.
So, yun yung mga ina-avail mostly ng ating mga members na in need of financial assistance.
Yes. So daghan. Wala pa nato na discuss ang ato ang present. I mean, ang ato ang this year nga mga plans and programs. So since wala naman tay time,
Yes.
ato nang i-discuss siguro. Pwede rin hapon next month.
Oo.
Next month ilahusa nato na kay wala pa nato na discuss ang atong present nga mga activities or maybe the committee chairs
Oo, mga committee chairs siguro.
mo maka-discuss ni Ana. So higala alas 3:53 na inyo na lang party statement at Hides.
Okay. So, ito muna, sir.
Sige. So sa we are very thankful sa DXMU management with Ma'am LG Adinayon as not only as anchor but member of the board of trustees of the association. So thank you very much for be with us in this program ug hangtod sa sunod nga mga panahon sa atong panakita diri sa DXMU FM.
Yes.
Sige, salamat kay Sir Paul, Ate Hides.
Yes, tulad na nasabi ni Sir Paul, so thank you so much to the XMU management for allowing us to have this tingog sa Simuya. And of course, kay Ate LG as the anchor, not only the anchor but the proponent or the initiator of this tingog sa Simuya, which we approved this last action planning natin.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Ate LG, for this. Simple lang naman sana na magkaroon tayo ng Facebook, na magkaroon but this is more than what we expected, and I know na madami ang ma-inform, madami ang maabot ng ating tingog sa Simuya. And of course, I would like to thank the CMU management for our mga opportunities na makaserve tayo, especially giving us the time, yung mga meetings natin, and allowing us to have this action planning even outside the university. So thank you so much to our President, Dr. Relito Ibalye, and to our Vice President for Admin. And of course, we are so much thankful sa ating mga members ng Simuya. So salamat kaayo sa inyong suporta. Without you and without your support, hindi namin i-implement ang tanan ng mga plans and programs, kasi kayo ang nagbigay sa amin ng authority, ng approval to have these plans and programs for the welfare not only of us but to the whole Simuya organization. So thank you so much, and above all to God for giving us the strength. Ay, dami pong trabaho pero
True.
diba,
In fact, gikan lang mo nagkuan,
yes,
diba?
gikan
Sa
kami sa
Valencia.
University Code na evaluation. Sabi nga sa akin doon, nag-cutting classes daw ako. Sabi ko, hindi na ako'y Sibuya. Ay, ako'y DXMU radio program today. So, ganun pong ka-busy ang tanan ng mga officers, but thank you God for giving us the wisdom, the strength, and the courage para mapadayo namin ang pag-serve namin sa Simuya.
Yes, and daghan ta exciting nga mga programs and
Yeah.
activities this
Oo.
year.
Yes, this
Ato
year.
na sa Euro next month gano'n once a
Parang
month
kulang,
naman kulang kayo, di ba? Ingon si Sir Paul Daan, dili ra na matagdan ang 1 hour, kulangon ta tuod man nababaan gyud.
Tuod gyud, kulang
Oo,
diay.
kulang gyud kaayo. Greetings pa lang mo take og kuano niya plus programs. Imagine ang ato pa lang na-discuss previous year.
Oo.
Wala pa nato na-discuss ang karon nga year. Kay daghan exciting ang mga
Yes,
activities this
oo.
year.
Basta bantayan po ang March 27 we have the General Assembly of
Yes.
Teaching. Okay.
Sa tanan non-teaching employees, March 27, that's Friday
At the UCC.
Friday.
at the UCC. So, which will start at maybe
Morning tayo, morning
8
siguro.
or 7
8 to
o'clock in the
12 siguro.
Okay. So, nako, wala na tayo oras. Salamat kaayo higala. Kauban na to again. Ang ato ang Secretary sa CMU Employees Association Incorporated, Mr. Joseph Paul Adorable. And of course, the President herself, Dr. Heidi Helena Garcia. So higala, salamat kaayo sa mga naminaw sa atong live. Salamat kayo sa pag-uban ninyo kana